welcome to Karkara Foods. Today, we're going to learn how to make the most yummy and crunchy Telangana Sakinalu. Sakinalu are of two varieties, Uppu Sakinalu and Karam Sakinalu. Now, I'm gonna show you how to make both of these. Let's get started. On the screen, you have the ingredients listed. Uppu Sakinalu on the left side and Karam Sakinalu on the right side. You can pause the video for a while. Now let's get started with Uppu Sakinalu. Take 1 kg of rice flour made out of soaked rice. Add 250 grams of sesame seeds. Add 1½ tablespoon of table salt. Add 25 grams of Ajwain or Voma. Mix all the ingredients well and add 300 ml of water. Mix the whole thing thoroughly to form a thick paste. The same process is repeated for Karam Sakinalu as well. Take 1 kg of rice flour made out of soaked rice. Add 250 grams of sesame seeds. Add 1½ tablespoon of table salt. Add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly with 300 ml of water to form a thick paste. Now it's time to roll Sakinalu. Rolling Sakinalu is a skill that requires a lot of practice. Take some portion of the dough in your palm, roll it between your fingers to form a thin rope and then make circles on a clean piece of cloth. Repeat the process and fill the cloth with Sakinalu. Let the Sakinalu on the cloth dry for 20 to 30 minutes. Now, carefully lift the Sakinalu and place them on a tray. Heat the oil on a medium flame. Slide the Uppu Sakinalu into the oil and fry them until they turn light golden color. Now, drain the excess oil. Slide the Karam Sakinalu into the oil and fry them until they turn bright red. Drain the excess oil. Now, the most crunchy and flavorful Uppu Sakinalu and Karam Sakinalu are ready. Please visit www.karkarafoods.com to order the most delicious and authentic snacks and sweets. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn more such amazing recipes. Thank you.